To the bowl of a food processor, add 180 grams of all-purpose flour, 18 grams of baking powder, and 10 grams of salt. Pulse to combine. Now, add 3/4 cup of cold cubed butter. Pulse 10 to 20 times until the butter is in pea-sized chunks. This here is a little too chunky, but it should not be well blended either. Go for pea-sized. Dump the mixture into a bowl and add 340 grams of cold sourdough discard. Use your hands to incorporate all the ingredients as quickly as possible. We do not want to warm the dough or the butter. I like to start by mixing in the bowl, then turning out onto the counter. I knead the biscuit dough until all the flour is incorporated and it just barely begins to feel sticky. It will get a bit stickier as it is rolled out, but if you ever feel it's getting too warm, refrigerate before continuing. This next step is absolutely essential for the flakiest of biscuits. Roll out the dough to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Fold the dough into thirds 2 times to create 9 layers. Now, roll the dough out again to 1/2 to 3/4 inch thickness. I'm using a 2.5 inch biscuit cutter, which gets me about 14 biscuits. Carefully lift the biscuit from your working surface. Notice the very straight edge from the cutter on this biscuit. This is incredibly important for tall rising biscuits. Place the biscuits in a 9 to 10 inch cast iron skillet, making sure they are lightly touching one another. Roll out the remaining dough and continue cutting biscuits until all of the dough has been used, working the dough as minimally as possible. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. The biscuits will be done at 15 minutes, but the extra time will help them brown and crisp the outside if desired. These biscuits should puff up to double their size in the oven and should have beautiful, flaky layers. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.